Welcome to this episode of Tips and Tricks for Learning Mobile Technology. A common problem that I'm asked about and a lot of people are challenged with is, what if I break the phone? The agitation that comes with it is feeling silly, or recovery hassles and headaches, or the costs associated with it. Do you have other experiences with breaking the phone? Please comment and share. That would be awesome to know. I will try to address them. The solution to what if I break the phone is really simple. Number one, you need to know there is absolutely nothing you can do to the phone to break it, short of dropping it in water or just dropping it on hard surface and shattering the phone itself. To fix it, you go home. From home, you basically start repeating the process and whatever it was that you wanted to do. If you get lost again, you go home again and you try again. The best example for any of these are kids and grandkids. They just go at it